Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm checking out the January 2021 Gear EDC Club. Let's check it out. So first thing, we have the cheat sheet. I'll put this off to the side though and check that out at the end of the video. And of course we have our Gear sticker. Put that off to the side, and we have 3 items this month. This one's a Matador pocket blanket, something from mecarmy, and this one's easy, Survival Stormproof Match Kit. So I say we start with the Survival Stormproof Match Kit here. So I have a bunch of generic Stormproof matches that I picked up from Walmart that not that great. This one comes in a little plastic container. Oh, a screw off cap. You have a little bit of cotton right here in the lid, but I'll leave that in there. And it looks like our striker is on the side. And these matches are pretty darn small. Every match that I have, they're at least this long, pretty thick, but these are only a few inches long. Check that out. And it looks like there's something else inside here. What is that? I'm just gonna dump everything out. Oh, some extra strikers that were inside there. Now these are Yuko brand Survival Stormproof matches, windproof and waterproof. And it says that there are 15 in this little container. And I've always wondered what this was all about. Warning, cancer and reproductive harm. What's up with that? But this is pretty cool. I'll actually keep this in my emergency kit for a rainy day. Lame jokes aside, I'll put all these back into the container, and I guess I'll check out the Matador pocket blanket next. So Matador pocket blanket. On the back it says seating surface perfect for 2 or 4 people. 4 sit, 2 lay. Then it says on the bottom, easy pack pattern for easy pack up. Somehow I'm going to doubt that this is going to be easy to pack up and put away, because I've seen things like this before, and if it's anything like those, they're kind of a pain in the butt to pack away. Concerts, festivals, beaches, picnics, parks, and life. Right here on the side. And as I was opening it right here on the little flap, it shows you directions on how to fold it back up. That's pretty funny. So here it is, the Matador pocket blanket, and it comes in a little bag, a little green bag here. And it feels like it's made of some sort of nylon material. So, oh, check that out. It's attached to the blanket so you don't use it. So that's a neat idea. Let me unpack this thing. And yeah, there's no way I'm getting this back as neat as they had it in the box there. So, wow. Check this thing out though. It actually unfolds pretty big. Right here, it says Matador on the one side. It looks like we have a grid pattern on this lighter color green, and kind of feels like a plastic bag a little bit. And also we have little pockets on each corner that feel weighted. What's up with this? So, oh, we have little metal weights on each corner of this blanket, it looks like. Actually, these might not be little weights. They might be little stakes. So when you have this on the ground all spread out, you can just push this into the ground and it won't blow away, because this is made of nylon and any gust of wind will just take this flying. So that's actually a pretty good idea. And then when you're done with it, there's a little slot right there, and this is elastic so you can stretch it back out and then tuck it away pretty nicely. That's a nice idea. And then right here on the other side, we still have that attached bag. I mean, I don't know how I'm ever gonna fit this as neat as they had it, but I'll attempt to do that off camera. Pretty cool little nylon blanket. Probably big enough for a couple people. I mean, it says getting 4 people on there. You'd be pretty squished trying to get 4 people on this, but I would say it can fit 2 people comfortably. But regardless, I'm sure I can put this to use somehow, some way. So let me fold this up, put it off to the side, and let's check out this mecarmy box. It just says mecarmy on the front, and on the bottom of the box it says TP X8 Titanium. Ooh, so now I'm interested. See what the heck this is. Let's open this up, and oh wow, yes, it's like a cool little Titanium EDC pen here. So that is pretty cool. Got another little bag here full of some O-rings, some large and small O-rings, and then just a thank you card along with some socials and man, something made of plastic. I have no idea, but I'll put all this back in the box and off to the side for right now. So let's check out this pen, huh? So I don't know, there's no opening. Just cut open the plastic. You guys a close-up of this thing. This is pretty cool. We have this D-ring shaped bail right here on the end of it if you want to put it on a keychain. And it is a bolt action pen. There's the bolt right there. The bolt feels pretty nice. It's not super smooth, but it feels okay. And check out the shape of this. I actually really like it. It kind of gets a little bit thinner right there in the middle of the body and then widens out right where you hold it when you're writing. And let's check out the cartridge. So that's where it breaks open right there. Yep. There's where we would put those spare O-rings right there. Have ourselves a spring. And what is this cartridge? A Lamy M22. If you guys can see that. So this is awesome. I always like my titanium pens, and I'm always looking out for really small miniature pens to carry on an everyday basis, and especially at work. And this one seems like it can really get the job done, especially if I just want to put it in my pocket, or has this little D-shaped bail on the end of it. If I want to put it on a keychain ring, I can do that too. So this is really nice. And I'm just checking out the back here with all these holes, and this pretty interesting design on the back there. Let me see if I can give you guys a closer look at what I'm looking at here. Oh, that's awesome. And now let's check out how it writes. I'm sure we're not gonna have any issues. Yeah, this is just fine. I'll probably put this to good use. And now, I have no idea what the heck this little plastic thing is here. It doesn't open. There's a hole on the end of it there. I actually have no idea what this is. So if you guys know what the heck this is, if you already have one of these mecarmy titanium pens, what the heck is this thing? Actually, let's check out the cheat sheet right now and see if there's any indication what the heck that is. So let's go right to the mecarmy TP X8 titanium pen 6590. The mini bolt action tactical pen from mecarmy is a great EDC option. It doesn't take up much space and is extremely lightweight. The handy D-shaped keyring allows you to securely take it with you anywhere you go. It also has 6 slots at the top for tritium or glow insert bars. That's what these little holes are for right there, for tritium glow insert bars. Now that's really interesting. I'll be right back.
A few moments later.
I say that's interesting because I just picked up this Glow Rhino titanium tritium pry bar, and right there is the tritium glow insert. And I've been pretty interested in what these are. I really have no experience with the tritium glowing bars or anything like that. So I've been looking into it, and if this thing, where is it? If this pen takes little bar inserts, I'm probably gonna pimp this out with 6 little glow bars, and that would be pretty awesome. So that's really cool. It still doesn't really say what this is, and that's fine because this thing just got instantly cooler. All right, so let's move on to the next item, the Matador Pocket Blanket, $29.99. Now you can sit back and relax anywhere with the Matador lightweight pocket blanket. Water and puncture resistant, made of hyper light nylon. You can find a use for this in a remote backcountry trip or right in your backyard. And then we have the Stormproof Match Kit. Brand may vary. Like I said, I got the Yuko brand, at least I think that's how you pronounce it, Yuko. Doesn't really give a price just because the brand may vary, as it says. These are great to have around for a number of different reasons. They are windproof, waterproof, and fireproof. Just kidding about that last one, haha. Your jokes are about as lame as mine. There is something I love about sitting around a fire when it's cold out with friends or family. We hope these can motivate you to get outside or even inside and spend some quality time with the people that mean the most in your life. So I'm not really sure what they mean about inside. Maybe use these for a fireplace or whatever. But since these are waterproof and windproof, I'll probably just save these for an emergency in my emergency kit. Anything on the inside, I'll just use my lighter. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What do you guys think of the January 2021 Going Gear EDC Club? This mecarmy titanium pen is pretty cool. I'll definitely put this to use. And I'll definitely look into getting some of those tritium bars to put in the top here. I think that'll look really cool. And if you guys want to see what that looks like, keep an eye on my Instagram page. I'll have links below. So if you guys are interested in what this is going to look like with those bars in it, go follow me on Instagram. Also, we got this Matador blanket, which, man, this is going to be a chore to put back in that little bag. And then, of course, the Stormproof matches. Pretty good box this month. If you guys are interested in the Going Gear EDC Club, I will have links below in my description box. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!